Golden Elephant, Mbali's prosperity tale. As the villagers of Mbali marveled at the transformation brought about by Kwame's journey, the news of the golden elephant and its gifts spread far and wide. Travelers from distant lands came to witness the prosperity that now graced Mbali, drawn by the allure of the mystical creature and the magic that had touched the village. Among the visitors, Nia welcomed Osha with a warm smile, her eyes reflecting the wisdom that only age and experience could bring. Kwame, now a respected figure in Mbali, stood by Nia's side as they recounted the tale of the golden elephant and the gifts that had transformed their village. Osha listened intently, her weathered face revealing a mixture of reverence and understanding. The golden elephant embodies the spirit of our interconnectedness with the natural world, she remarked. Your journey, young Kwame, has not only brought prosperity to Mbali but has also awakened a deeper awareness among your people. Intrigued by the wisdom Osha offered, Kwame and Nia invited her to share her knowledge with the villagers. Under the shade of the ancient baobab tree at the center of Mbali, Osha spoke of the delicate balance between humanity and nature, emphasizing the importance of stewardship and gratitude. The gifts bestowed upon you by the golden elephant are not just symbols of prosperity, they are reminders of our responsibility to care for the earth, Osha explained. The golden leaf represents the abundance that nature provides when treated with respect, and the magical droplet symbolizes the purity of our intentions reflected in the waters that sustain us. Embracing Osha's teachings, the villagers of Mbali began to cultivate a deeper connection with the land. They formed a council of elders dedicated to preserving the delicate balance between human needs and the well-being of the environment. Together, they implemented sustainable practices, ensuring that the prosperity bestowed by the golden elephant would endure for generations. As Mbali flourished, the legend of the golden elephant continued to attract travelers seeking not only material wealth but also the profound wisdom embedded in the tale. The village became a beacon of harmony, a living testament to the magic that could unfold when people lived in harmony with nature. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over Mbali, a group of children gathered around Nia, eager to hear the story of the golden elephant. Nia, now a venerable elder, looked into the eager eyes of the next generation and began to weave the tale once more. The golden elephant, my children, represents the essence of our connection with the earth. Its magic is not just a story from the past but a living force that continues to shape our destiny, Nia began, her voice carrying the weight of countless tales and experiences. As the children listened, their imagination soared, envisioning the lush jungles, the winding rivers, and the majestic golden elephant. In that moment, Nia realized the timeless power of storytelling, the ability to pass down wisdom, inspire courage, and foster a deep sense of belonging to the rich tapestry of life. In the years that followed, Mbali became a hub of knowledge and exchange. Scholars, artists, and seekers from various corners of the world visited the village, drawn by the magic that had transformed it into a living legend. The once isolated community now thrived as a center of cultural exchange, where ideas flowed like the rivers that surrounded them. Kwame, having grown into a wise leader, became the bridge between Mbali and the outside world. He shared the lessons learned from the golden elephant's gifts, emphasizing the importance of unity, respect for nature, and the pursuit of true prosperity that extended beyond material wealth. Osha, who had become an honorary member of the Mbali Council, continued to impart her wisdom, fostering a sense of interconnectedness that transcended borders. The teachings of Mbali spread far and wide, inspiring other communities to reevaluate their relationship with the natural world. And so, the tale of the golden elephant, born from the heart of Africa, echoed across continents, becoming a symbol of hope and transformation. The once skeptical villagers of Mbali, now guardians of a profound legacy, understood that the true magic of the golden elephant lay not just in its mythical form but in the timeless wisdom it carried, a wisdom that had the power to heal the world. As the sun set on Mbali, casting a golden glow over the village, Nia, Kwame, and the villagers gathered once more around the communal fire. Underneath the starlit sky, they shared stories of the past, visions of the future, and the enduring magic that bound them to the land they called home. And so, the tale of the golden elephant lived on, weaving itself into the very fabric of Mbali, a testament to the eternal dance between humanity and the wonders of the natural world, a dance that, when embraced with reverence and love, held the promise of a harmonious existence for generations to come.